Hey guys, another video about my garden hose. I have this Hose mobile hose cart, and one of the problems was the leader hose. That's the hose that you connect between the cart and your faucet. It was always kinking and getting twisted. So here's the old one. You can see the kinks in it. It's really annoying because it pinches it closed and then you don't get water flow. One of the things that happens is that I think when you screw this end into the cart, you get twist in the hose, and then the hose cart moving around puts more twist into it. You can see this one actually still has water in it, and it's developed a leak there. It sprung a leak. I've tried to keep the twist out of the hose by attaching the end to the faucet second, right? Because this swivels like this, so you don't get the hose twist. I figured I could put this end into the cart and then let the whole hose twist as I was screwing it in, but that never seemed to work out. It always seemed to end up twisting. So what I did was I replaced the leader hose with this 10-foot Element Universal Plus leader hose. And the nice thing about it is that it has a couple different couplings here. So it has a male to male adapter here, and I screwed that end into the cart and then screwed the hose into that, and then this end swivels here, and that prevents the twist in the hose. Now, I picked this up. I'll have some links in the description below. I think it was like 12 bucks or something like that. This is 10 feet long, has a lifetime warranty. So if you do pick these up, make sure you keep your receipt and, maybe a picture of this. That's what I do. And then you can always contact the company for a replacement. It's made by a company called Swan. So if you're having trouble with your leader hose twisting, I definitely say check this out. Now the other thing I would point out, if you're looking for a leader hose, measure the distance from your faucet to where you'd like the hose cart to come out, and make sure you get the correct length. Older ones I had, or the ones that came with the cart, were short. They were like 4 or 5 feet, which would put the cart right in here, which was kind of inconvenient. So you may just want to make sure you find the length that is appropriate for where you want to place your hose cart. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, please remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.